At Spa World, we make it easy for you to buy, install and own a spa. One service we offer that others may not is a special delivery and installation service called the Platinum Handover. But what is it? And why is it so worth it? Keep watching to find out. If you've just bought a spa for the Spa World, you may have selected our special delivery and installation service called the Platinum Handover. Or perhaps you already own a spa and you're thinking about upgrading to the Platinum Handover package. If so, this short video is just for you. Please note this video is for our New Zealand-based customers. If you live in Australia, please see the Australian version of this video. The link is in the description below. In this video, we'll answer common questions about the Platinum Handover package, including what is the Platinum Handover package? When does the Platinum Handover take place? What is included in the Platinum Handover? What is not included? What spa brand is it available on? And where are Platinum Handovers available? We deliver thousands of spas each year, and while some people are comfortable using their spa without on-site training, we understand that others may prefer expert help in operating and maintaining their spa, and that's where the Platinum Handover comes in. So what exactly is the Platinum Handover package? The Platinum Handover is an upgrade that includes a general checkup of your spa and your spa setup. The Platinum Handover takes place on the same day as your spa is delivered. If you're unsure when your delivery date is, just check with your Spa World concierge and they can give you all the details. Remember, make sure that your power and the spa foundation are all set up before your spa arrives. On delivery day, your spa specialist will take care of installing, setting up and starting your spa. They will fill the spa with water and add the first dose of chemicals. Demonstrate how to use the touchpad and any settings. Give advice on how best to use your chemicals and maintain your spa. Do a plumbing check to ensure everything is working well and the barrel unions are tight. Set your spa steps and cover lifter if ordered. And lastly, they remove the spa packaging and rubbish. So what is not included in the Platinum Handover? Inspection of your spa's electrical connection is not part of this package. Spa World does not offer electrical service, including equipotential bonding of accessories, and it's the owner's responsibility to organise an electrician and associated costs. Building a spa foundation, levelling the spa on an uneven foundation, and installing CPR signs are also not included in this package. And any installation of accessories, unless included in your original order. The Platinum Handover package is available on all spa pools sold through Spa World, delivered within 50 kilometres of your local Spa World showroom. If you're not sure whether this upgrade is right for you, please ask one of our friendly sales consultants. Now that you know what this upgrade includes, your next question might be, how do I book the Platinum Handover package? Well, the process is pretty straightforward. Once your spa is full and your power is on, contact our service bookings team to discuss available dates for your Platinum Handover. You can contact our team by visiting the service page or the Contact Us page on our website and choosing Platinum Handover from the drop-down. This will normally be organised with our technicians for the next available date. Depending on the time of year, there might be a small wait, but don't worry, you can make the most of this time by soaking in your new spa. Hopefully this short video has answered your questions about the Platinum Handover package. But in case we missed something, feel free to contact us or your Spa World concierge. Thanks for watching.